Hey guys, we're back. Now it's time to make our cute little Rudolph here. He looks not too far off from a dog, but you add enough accents on and he'll pass for a reindeer any day. So what we need for this balloon is we need 2 brown 260s, red water balloon, a scrap of white 260 for the eyes, some more water balloons, any kind of color you want. These are 2 160s in 2 different browns. I have a dark brown 260 for his feet, and then we have a Geo Blossom for his base. So let's get started. Maybe we'll put him over here. He's loud. All right, so we're gonna start with the nose. Something I do when I have time. I don't always have time, but today we do. I like to put a little jingle bell in his nose because it's cute. So we take our little red water balloon and we're going to take the jingle bell, carefully stuff it inside. You can use a balloon stuffer. There's different tools you can use to stuff balloons inside. But for this one, of course now it's not going to do it because I'm talking. Usually I can just slide them right in. I just did it. The first time I tried it, it went right in. Second time I tried it, it went right in. I'm in front of a camera, it's not going to work. He did my balloon. We'll blame it on the equipment. Maybe I should use smaller jingle bells. Alright, next time I'm bringing my tool out. The guys don't like the tool that we use to stuff these, but it's funny. Okay. So I've got it inside there. Just be careful that you don't tear the balloons. Put your pump in there, give it a little puff of air. No, it's like a little baby's rattle thingy. I'm gonna twist that so that it's round. And there, now we have his actual nose. Sorry that took so long, usually it doesn't. Okay, so we're going to start next with his snout. I'm going to tie our round balloon to the end of one of our brown 260s. And I inflated this one maybe a little more than a hand's width. It's never an exact science on this one, depending on the balloon, depending on how much air you have in it. But it's okay, because we're going to use 2 balloons, so we'll have extra. So we've tied this together. Tie it one more time. A lot of times if I have an extra second, I'm going to go ahead and cut this extra off here. A lot of times it'll show. I don't like that to show. Okay. So we're going to do the first part of his snout. I'm going to go back about 4 fingers, twist it off. I'm going to do a 1-inch and an ear twist. Okay. And we're going to go back to the front, twist it there. I hope you can see this. And then one more time to the back. So this is where we're at right here. We've got the snout, the little bell, and the front of his face. Then we're going to go up because we're going to do the back part of the head. Probably about another hand's width, maybe a little further. Twist it off. We're going to do another 1-inch bubble with an ear twist. And then we're going to come back down and twist that in. And this is where we're at. Kind of does look like a dog, I know. It's okay, we'll get there. Next thing I like to do is add the eyes, just because I'm already here. So you take your scrap of a 260, and I twist it in at the bottom, right at the neck. Wrap that around a couple times. Okay, bring it up to the top to that ear twist. Twist it in, and bring it back down, and twist that back into the front. Take that off. I love that noise. Wrap that around so it doesn't get lost. Alright, and we've got the front part of his head. Next we're going to give him a neck. Twist it off, maybe about 1.5 inches. And I'm going to do 2 ear twists. 2 small bubbles with ear twists in them. They're gonna help stabilize. Okay, so this is where we're at right here. We just made his neck and then 2 ear twists for to stabilize. Squeeze what's left here. Now sometimes you might just be here when you run out of balloons. Sometimes you might have extra. You can just play with it. It doesn't matter. If you're like, oh, I don't know if I can get 2 legs out of it and still twist it in, you can always take it off and add your second balloon now, which is what I'm going to do. As soon as I figure out where I put it. Alright, we're going to inflate another balloon. No, it should be a different brown. No, I think it's okay. Alright, twist that into our 2 ear twists. Okay, and that's where we're at here. I'm going to take our dark brown. I'm losing all my marbles. Our darker brown 260 and inflate that. Just a little. These are just going to be for his feet. Paws or hoofs or whatever you want to call them. Okay, and these are just going to be 2 small loop twists. 1. Yeah, 2 small loop twists and then a little ear twist. And then you can pop the rest of that off. Save that because you're going to do that again for the back feet. Okay, wrap that around so that doesn't get lost. Do that one more time for the back feet. Yeah, this was supposed to be a dark brown, but apparently it's not. I'll tie this into a loop because I didn't have quite enough balloon. I'll twist it in half for his back feet. Alright, going back to the front feet. Go down from his neck, however long you want his front legs to be. Twist it up, twist those in. Alright, and then come back up, twist it back into the neck. Mine is bobbling a little bit. Usually it doesn't, but if it does, you can put one more ear twist here. Alright, then we're going to go back. Decide how wide you want his belly to be. I'm going to do about a hand's width. Do an ear twist. And then we're going to do 2 more bolas so we give him a little bit more of a belly. So we're going to take this back to the front, twist it into these 2 ear twists here. And then bring it back for a third one. Alright, now what's left is going to be his back legs. So we're going to measure about the same distance down. Twist it off. Twist in our back feet. And since I forgot to put the ear twist in these feet, I'm just going to add it right now to this balloon. Because I happen to not grab a different color brown. Okay, and then go back up with this, twist into the tail, or the tail end. This is where we're at so far. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some ears. Antlers. So I'm taking 2 different 160s and browns. Doesn't have to, you can just use 1. I just like to use 2 because I think it's cute. Gives a little more oomph. Tie them together. Okay. So we're just going to basically make like staircases or L's, little L's. I'm going to go about maybe 2 inches with both balloons. Twist it off. You make a small bubble with both of them and ear twist it. There's our small bubble. Ear twist it. Okay. So now this is what we have. We're going to do a couple more of these. I'm going to go over a couple inches, maybe 3 inches. Another ear twist. Okay, I think I'll do one more. So we'll go down a few inches. Okay, I'm trying to picture where the center of his head is going to be here, so I'm going to go over one more time. And this I'm going to twist right into the top of his eyes, where this bubble is on top of his ears. Okay, so this is where we're at. And all we're going to do is the same in reverse on this side so that it's even. Just matching up the bubbles, the bubble sizes, the bubble directions. Don't do what I just did. There was a better way to do that, I know. But that's okay. Just keep going. Just keep going, Marie. Alright, so here we are. You can have, if you were concerned, you can have all the dark brown face in the front or the light brown face in the front, or however they just turn out. I think it's cuter this way, whichever way you want to do it. So we're getting close to done. Now what do we have to do next? We need to add his little decorations. These are just round, our little water balloons. Dollar store, nothing crazy. Wrap them into a few places on the antlers. And that's another thing. Using 160s, sometimes they'll pop just because we've got a lot of air on them. If you have two of them, doesn't matter. It's not going anywhere. Just in case. How does that look? Oh, pretty good. I could add some more if I wanted, but that's good enough for now. So then we're going to color in his eyes at some point, as soon as I figure out where my marker is. And then we're going to add our base. You can get out the balloon just like this once you've added his eyes. You can take a scrap, pull these together with an extra loop on it, and it can be a bracelet. It's pretty big for a bracelet. Some people don't mind. This I'm just going to put on a base. You can have it stand up on the table. So what I do for this one is I just take a Geo Blossom, just a regular 6-inch one, inflate it all the way, tie it off. To attach this, sometimes people use a water-filled or sand-filled weight balloon down here. Not necessarily always like that. So I'll usually take 2 popsicle sticks. I'll have these. This is more for like decor. And I'll hot glue them together. This is not a popsicle stick. This is what I've got. And this is going to go on the bottom because this is going to prevent whatever I'm attaching it with from going through. So I'm going to take a scrap of balloon. There's a nice green scrap. I'm going to wrap it around the front claws. Okay, and then I'm going to send it through the hole on our Geo. I'm going to wrap it around our anchor, whatever you want to use. Popsicle sticks, a weight. I just like to use things that are different. That's all, because it's fun. Okay, so I wrapped it around. I'm going to send this back through. Now what else you can do here, instead of putting this little X on the bottom, if you have one of the headbands, a lot of people like to use headbands for their designs, you can also put a headband right here and that'll hold it. And they can walk around with a reindeer on their head. Okay, so I pulled that back through the top, and I'm just going to wrap this scrap around the back paws. So you just twist them so you can't see the strings going through. Usually they're pretty evenly weighted. Okay, so this is what he's going to look like. And again, if you had, I'll take this off. If you have a headband, you can attach that. It's actually pretty cute like that too. Then we take our marker. Oh, there goes my camera. We're going to color in his eyes. You can do a couple dots if you want for the little snout, just to give it some added cuteness. And here is our cute little Rudolph reindeer. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys later.